Hi, so Substack doesn't have an official API, and it's a challenge for anyone who wants to schedule their notes, who wants to publish their post, who wants to track their performance, who wants to see which notes brought like subscribers, which notes got the most engagement over time, and things like that. So it's a little bit edit in their own dashboards, which is a little bit cluttered, and if you're trying to just write and see what is resonating so that you can double on that, it's a little bit of a problem. Also thinking about how you can cross-post that same either note or post to different platforms is a little bit of a challenge. So since Substack doesn't have an official API, this is the website that provides the APIs with everything. Closely, I mean everything included here. Think of it like post, notes, subscriber, performance, and all that. So it's not an official API as well, but it's used as an extension. So pretty much it's a safe way of doing that, and also enabling you to publish it across different platforms. So it's easy. Just head over to narrage.com and then you sign up. It's pretty straightforward. It has a bunch of cool stuff here. So once you just sign up. I've already signed up, so I'm just going to sign into this. So you sign into this. So once you've signed in, there's so many things you can do here. One of the ways is you can generate notes. So generating notes means you're generating notes from your own voice or profile. You can also get to see all the notes that you've written before with all their stats here. You can just see what they have been, how they have been performing over time. You can choose to sort them by, likes, comments, and restart. All this is using your actual Substack data. So if you check on this, you'll see all the data here. You can also see more information regarding your specific note. You can see, for instance, where it was seen. You can see the audience. You can see the interactions and all that information. Another cool thing that I like about Nararish is if you click on articles, you'll be able to have all your articles there with an ability to see this brought me one subscriber, this had like one like, it had an open rate of 27%, which is pretty low. I need to work on that. They had like 4 views, and I can see all this here. Also, it allows me to just cross post my articles easily to all the platforms like Medium, Substack, LinkedIn, so it's pretty straightforward. It also has a way for me if I want to write and I want to share it. So I click on that. I can choose to select the platforms here, and I can also choose. This is a very new feature that's pretty cool. I can choose to generate and schedule follow-up notes from my article automatically. So I just write an article, and notes will be generated automatically, scheduled across all the platforms. So again, it's not like a generic note, but it's more like a note that is trained from your own voice. So it's going to sound more and more like how you normally sound. Another cool thing I like about that is the fact that if you click on stats, you'll be able to see a lot of things. For instance, if you want to see my traffic over the course of 8 weeks, I can see that's been growing over time. I can also see that the traffic here has been pretty much from other nodes, has brought me a little bit of traffic, but not that much. But yeah, so I can also see other cool stuff like direct to direct and import. So I didn't import any subscribers. So I can also see when my audience were most active. So it says that my audience are mostly around 8 in the evening. And then I can see the notes doing so well. I can also choose to repurpose this particular note. So if I click on this, it's just going to take me to that note, and I can see I had like 5 likes on this note. I can also, so another cool thing I can see here is heat maps. I can see how I've been posting over the course of 14-day streak. So I've had like a 14-day streak. The biggest one being like I had 29 active days there, with the number of posts per day shown there. Another cool thing is the fact that pretty much I can write a note, and then I can just schedule that note across Substack, LinkedIn, X, Blue Sky, and Threads. So I'll give it a try as well, and let me know how it goes for you.